Look back and watch me smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh, smack that all on the floor. Smack that, give me some more. Smack that till you get sore. Smack that, oh.
If we have to, yep.
I don't know you, you don't know me.
Yep, and then the that spot where I pointed to, that's where we're gonna turn around and go from. All right. All right. I say we give it. Wait till I say and then go. I know, that's what I'm saying.
2 hours later.
All right, he's off. Let's go. I just sent it, bro. I only hit like 160 something. My wheels were shaking, bro.
I hit 150 and then it was just that was... I
hit 160 something. I don't know. We should probably put the bikes away.
What?
We should probably put the bikes away anyway.
Yeah. That time too.
I'm gonna go home on my lawn, eat, vacuum the pool, and then I'll call you when I'm done.
Yeah, let me know.
Cool,
yeah,
bro.
That was my first time going that fast. You need to get used to that feel.
Yeah, it's weird, bro. It took longer. I don't think I was going full throttle for part of it either. It's like
I did the same mistake. I noticed at 150 it was just kind of hovering there.
Yeah, I was at like 150, 155. I know I hit over 160. I don't know to what extent.
Yeah.
But
I mean, like also because I didn't know the route exactly, so I don't want to be doing.
I just sent it, bro.
Well, now I know. Now I know it's full send on that.
Full send. Yeah, that spot.
Sure exactly.
Yeah, I was like, all right, no cars are coming. I'm out, bro.
That was nice. I needed
that was fun, yeah.
I picked up my head by accident. I was like, whoa.
No, bro. Dude, on the highway when I race, it's bad because the Mohawk throws it off, bro. If I turn, the wind just picks up the Mohawk and just throws me over the place. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
I think that's partly. I didn't tuck enough.
That was fun, man. Good shit. I'll see you in a little bit. That was fun. Well, that's it for this one, guys. That's a Gixxer 1000 versus a CBR 929.